Tanner. Good morning, girls. Hey, girls. Woo! Good job. Tanner boy. Oh, it is a nice stick.
Hi, Mama.
Hey, buddy. What you doing?
Playing a game.
Cool. Good morning, friends. Welcome to our channel, Creating Essence. I am Megan. Thanks for stopping by. It's been a hot second without a video. Things have been a little crazy around here, but hoping to be able to just take the camera along and show you a little bit of what we're doing today. What are you doing, baby girl? You crawling around on the floor playing with Ella. We are getting groceries tomorrow, so we're a little low on some things, but we will see what I can pull together. I gave myself the luxury of a nice hot shower this morning because I just felt like I needed it in order to get going. So I'm running a little late on things, but I think I'm gonna try to do a veggie skillet with sausage. We'll see what veggies I can pull together. Plan B, maybe waffles and sausage gravy. Not nearly as healthy. Distinctly lacking in kale. Tanner, is it your birthday? Is it your birthday? Are you a 1-year-old pup? Another change of plans. Went with the good old fried eggs covered in salsa eaten with tortilla chips. So good, guys?
Yeah. I'm not eating.
Giovanna loves scrambled eggs, huh? Yeah. It's an Aaron in a box! That's a pretty small box for an almost 8-year-old. Here is the box for you! Is this your birthday box? Did you get Aaron for your birthday? Oh, Koopy.
Hey.
What'd you build?
I built. I'm not actually sure what it's called.
A marble run?
Yes. Yes.
Pretty cool. Did you help him?
No, I built it by myself.
Santa boy! What's a birthday boy doing with his day?
I gave
Eating
him
every
plate outside
morsel of
with him
food that's dropped?
Gave me plate outside with him a little bit.
Cool. How's math going?
Good, I just started.
Are you done with schoolwork?
Yes.
Good job. Rosie. Hello. Are you done with schoolwork?
Indeed.
Good job. Oh, is she waking up? She was just moving. Now she just put her arms in front of her face. Kids have been doing their schoolwork, obviously. Most of them are done now. And I did
done.
You're done? Good job. I did some work on the computer to take advantage of the baby napping. She's taking a great morning nap, which is awesome. It's supposed to be a really nice day today, in the low 60s, and it's already very sunny, which is super duper nice. So the kids are just gonna, Ella's finishing up math there, and then I think we're gonna do science together and then get outside until lunchtime. Though I haven't figured out lunch yet. Breakfast was kind of a free day. Lazy mom hack for breakfast. So I should figure out something better for lunch. All right, the baby woke up just as we were finishing up science, which is perfect timing. Hey, please don't dig holes in the yard. No, no. Can you take the spading fork over to the shed, please? Thank you. So we have about a half an hour until we need to go inside and get lunch made. I did actually, one of the amazing benefits of kind of batch cooking and putting things away in the freezer in meal-sized portions. Things like today. I opened the freezer and got out a meal-sized portion of Carolina pulled pork that I made on a batch cooking day a month ago. And That's thawing right now, and we're just gonna have pulled pork sandwiches and a couple veggies, like really easy veggie sides for lunch. So, yay for thinking ahead. Annie and Aaron, can you two please go get the trash cans from the curb? Yep. Thank you. We're outside getting some sunshine on our skin, picking up the yard. The yard has gotten a big mess of recycling and toys pretty much. After all the, well, in light of all the ice storms and stuff like that we dealt with for the last 2 months, stuff has just gotten covered up over and over and over again. And Tanner has the same bad habit that Cooper does, in that he likes to grab boxes and run around the yard with them and shred them. Is that a universal dog thing? I don't even know. What you think? Is that a oh, the doggo's yelling. The doggo's yelling. We've been letting all the chickens out when it's not been raining to free range in the afternoons, so they have like 2 or 3 hours just to scratch around in the grass. And they're completely uncontained here, which won't work in the summertime when the neighbors behind us have their friend's pit bull running around all the time. But for now it works, and they get a little scratching in, but they're doing things like that and scratching all the wood chips away from the various bushes and things where we put them, like over here with the blueberries as well. We're gonna need to rake those up as well. So we're just working on some easy peasy things today. Cleaning up the yard. Yeah. Picking up recycling that the dogs have dragged around. And probably doing a little raking. Huh, yeah. She loves to be outside. She loves it. Yes, she loves the sunshine. We usually put her in the stroller, but she's kind of feeling like we're treating her like a baby when we put her in the stroller these days. And you know, she's not a baby. She's a big grown girl. She's 6 months old. Guys, let's get the little chunks of cardboard that the dogs have dragged around and made a mess with into the fire pit, along with any sticks we find, so that we can burn them up and have a bonfire, okay?
Tonight?
I don't know about tonight, maybe. Having fun with sister. Get a nice pile of those up there for a bonfire. You help him pick up sticks, Solly? Okay. Gabe and Ella, clean up that cardboard. Aaron and Annie, Aaron, after you get the wagon over there, let's clean up this cardboard and plastic right here on the porch.
I'm doing the bike box, Ella.
Yummy black beans? You're making an awful face, but you like them. Yeah. Good lunch, guys? Yes. Having pulled pork sandwiches and black beans. Yes, black beans. And some people are eating some peas and corn left over from last night, too.
Didn't choose peas and corn.
No, you chose black beans. Do you like them? hid this one. 2 in here. So this is one of the supers that we harvested honey from after the hive absconded from it, or the colony anyway. It got set out here and never taken back to the apiary. And now on warm days, it's just covered in wild, ooh, hi Tanner, in wild honeybees that frankly are probably my bees, but living in the woods now. I wish there was some way to coax them to go live in the apiary again. But it's really funny to have bees flying around the porch again. They don't even mind us. They're just hanging out with us. And they're making all sorts of noise over here. Well, they're getting all the old honey and harvesting wax from it. Did you wake up? Hello! Did Daddy save you from that bed all by yourself? Came out to get my coffee and the baby monitor, and the girls heard me. They know who the food lady is. Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? Sweet girl. I know. They're following me. Oh, you just spit up all over me. Thank you so much. Where's that lady going? That chicken lady going? It's warm and so. Hi, chicken. Do you want to pet the chicken? Do you want to pet the chicken? Okay. You want to go for a walk with sister? There you go. Have some fun.
All right.
I'm going to go inside and get some dishes washed. Hey, Tanner. Tanner boy. Oh, did you sense something wonderful? Oh, look at that precious gentleman sitting. Oh, and brother. Oh, look. Are you so good? Yes. Okay, are you ready? We gotta sing before we cut the cake for you and brother.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Oh, brother, you're sad to you too. Look at the peanut butter bird. Let's cut the cake.
No?
All right, boys, come get birthday cake. Here you go, Tanner. And Tanner is one. If you're new here and you don't know Tanner's story and how he made it to our family, I will put a link in the info box below so you can check it out. But he is our super special rescue pup that we never intended to keep. And it's really fun that he's one. We like to make our dogs dog-safe cakes for their birthdays. It's just a silly thing, but we enjoy it. And I think the dogs do too. If you would like the recipe to that dog-safe cake, I will put a link to it to my website, as well as the printable version that will be there down in the info box below. Let me know if you try it and what your doggos think. Thank you all so much for hanging out with us today. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to ask. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to hang out for more. We'd love to have you. We'll see you again soon.